Hey, what's up, traders? I really want to surprise you because there are a lot of things that are actually happening this year 2025, and as trader you actually have to be very keen on what is actually happening. And the first of most of things that is actually hitting our desk is this takes issue about the BRICS. Do you know that this issue is actually very concerning when it comes to the trading and decisions that we're going to be making in the market? I really want you to go and check what has actually been happening to the dollar recently. We have seen, like last year, end of 2024, how the dollar has been gaining, dollar gained massively, making the Euro USD to go all the way down up there, up to almost 1.02. It pushed the price of the gold to even move the very low after gold hitting 27 and all that. So the dollar has been gaining massively on the year 2024 towards the end. But what you can see now is that the prices are now starting to a little bit move higher. And one of the things that is actually happening right now, we have seen then January, after the January, just the first week like that, more nations are actually joining the BRICS, and I'll be explaining what is BRICS and all that, and why it's very important for us traders now to watch on that. And the first nation that actually joined the BRICS is Argentina, Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates. So we are going to be seeing a lot of things that these are actually big nations that you can actually see here. And one of the things that we see when we actually mention the one BRICS is they are actually talking about the dollarization, and maybe they can just come up and decide to back up one of the currencies, and they're actually going to be even more stronger. You're going to be a very big war between the dollar and the other currency, maybe that they can choose anytime. And that's why this year is so, you have to be very vigilant on what is actually going to be happening right here. You can see just the start of January and things are becoming so very hot. And the Trump is almost to be sworn into the office, and what he's saying, let me just brief you because there are a lot of things that actually happened even last year. You see, one thing that Trump is actually saying that if China, you try to join the BRICS, what we are going to do, we are going to be imposing 100% tariffs on you. And what happened on that? Because now China realized that maybe Trump could, because something, when he says something, he's going to accomplish it. They started now buying dollar because they know they are going to be 100% tariffs, and then dollar is going, and actually it's been true, because from that, the China has been holding so many dollars, buying dollar and keeping them, because tariffs are going to be moving high, and a lot of things that chaos that are actually been moving last year. Now it is very, very, very funny around this area. And also the Trump, I know, is saying anyone who tries to join this thing, we are going to be imposing 100% tariff. Is he going actually to be imposing a lot of tariffs to all these nations? I think at some point he has to accept that he has been defeated, and we know when these people maybe choose another currency, there's going to be a lot of mess when it comes. And what is going to be most affected here is the price of the gold, because now after when this war is going on, people are going to be holding the gold. I'm actually even myself going to be going to the gold. I'm going to be buying the gold until you finish your wars, because sometimes we can see maybe the price of the USD maybe going so low, and it can push the prices of the gold to even shoot very high. And that is one of the very concerning things that we can actually see this year happening. Okay, so that is one of the developing stories that are actually started this year 2025. And remember, this year 2025, if you have not joined my copy trading, I have actually be opening that so that anyone who has just money, and you can actually, even from $100, you can join corporate trading, and you just be chance so little amount of money, and actually even the sharing date, and just take 10%, you take the rest. So that's why I actually need a lot of numbers, because you can see I'm not making a lot of money from the sharing side. All right, so that is one of the things I really want to give you update on that. The other funny story that is actually happening when it comes now to the forex trading is, do you know this comedian is called the Mark Angel? He was actually claiming that he lost around, let me just get that story clearly. He claimed that he lost around 3 $3.7 million on forex trading. And one of the things I can actually is when I actually look at this story, I can actually say like this guy was, maybe there's two things that can come out of this. Either maybe he was trading and then he lost the money, and then maybe he's putting that blame on someone. And the other case is that maybe he gave someone for the account management, of which I always say make sure that you don't do that, because you are going to be scammed a lot. Or maybe he went and ahead and is trying to invest somewhere where people maybe are saying this is forex, and that is even not forex trading. So those are the kind of things that you actually be very cautious on that. And you can see this is actually a very sad story, because you see he's saying how he almost went into debt, and this is a very big star. He's earning a lot of money, someone we have been watching for a very long time, losing this a lot of money here. So one thing that you don't have to do this year, and one of the things that I'm actually going to be doing this year, is to make sure that I teach you how to trade forex on your own. So as maybe you are trading, or that reason I want to put that copy trading, you put money on your account, you just subscribe to my subscription on copy trading. When your money is in your account, I don't have anything to do with your money. Don't give me your money, don't send me your money. The platform will deduct the percentages just automatically from your side. I'll be showing you how to just do that automatically. But this issue of giving people more money to trade for you, account management and all that, I've always said that these people are going to be using an account as the demo account. Listen to me this carefully. These people are going to be using your account as the demo account, and you have to be very careful on that. So don't ever give someone your account to manage it for you, because you see this 3.7 million, this is not Kenya shillings, this is almost 400 million. This is the money that you can actually quit everything that you are doing. When you give me 400 million, I'm going to be quitting everything, right? But not forex. I'm going to be quitting everything, every job that I have, and I can just concentrate on that. That is the money you can. You see, this is a quarter. That is half a billion. That's about a billion, my friend, and that's a lot of money. When you divide that amount of money, you see how much you can actually make, and how money you can use. But it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money that people are really losing when it comes to their account management and all those sort of things. Don't be scams. Be smart enough when it comes to the forex trading. There are a lot of things that came from this. People saying maybe forex is scam and all that is because of this kind of things. And I know there are a lot of people out there who are doing a lot of crazy things just to claim they're doing forex, and really that is not the forex trading. And the other thing is that we will be doing the forex live classes every Monday. I'll be updating you on what is happening to the forex trading, so that I can give you signals and give you the update before. On Monday I can just give you the analysis, the news that we expect, the analysis on where we expect the market to go, and middle of the week as well, and at the end of the week we can review what happened last week on that week. So if it is on Friday, we can review. Yes, we send this market to go to this side, then this market really go to this side. That is one of the things that we'll be discussing on, because that is as well very important when it comes now to the forex trading. All I really want you to do is one thing: make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and share to your friends. And welcome to the Dan Tech Forex. I'll see you around. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the year 2025. Now we are fresh. If you lost money in that year 2024, now this is a year for you. Make sure that you declare that. Clear your mind. I know your holiday was gone, so your mind is fresh, so that just that things are fresh and in a good pace. Let's just make money this year more than ever. I'll see you around.